In the last period, calculus 1 point continuity. So this point is completed. Today I want to discuss with that is analytical geometry, that is three-dimensional geometry, or simply that is 3D. First, to define directions cosines of a line. So definition for direction cosines of a line ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 3D ಒಳಗೆ. Then find the directions cosines of x, y and that is z axis. Direction cosines definition ಆದ ನಂತರ x, y, z axis का directions cosines ಏನಿರೋದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. The next one, so that is a problem number, that is a 3, 4 and last one is, so you have to define that is a direction, that is a ratio. So in this period, first definition for the directions cosines and then example depend on that is a directions cosines. Last one you have to define that is a direction, that is a ratio. So 3D means usually that is x axis, y axis and that is a z axis. So that is a 0 origin ಏನಂತಾನೆ that is a 0. Okay, the line that is L makes an angle that is alpha, beta, gamma with the x axis, y axis and that is a z axis respectively. Then L is equal to that is a cos alpha, M is equal to that is a cos beta, N is equal to that is a cos gamma is called as direction cosines of a that is a line L. The line L makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with the x axis, y axis and that is z axis respectively. Then L is equal to that is a cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma is called as a directions cosines of a line. Direction cosines of a line is denoted by simply that is DCS, directions cosines of a line. Definition very simple. If the line, if the right that is a line makes angle, if the line makes an angle that is alpha, beta and that is gamma, alpha, beta and gamma with the right that is x axis, comma that is y axis and that is z axis and that is z axis respectively. The line makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with the x axis, y axis and z axis respectively. Then L is equal to right that is cos alpha, M is equal to that is cos beta, then so that is N is equal to right that is cos gamma is called a direction cosines of a line L, of a line that is L. Define directions cosines of a line anta definition ಕೇಳಿದಂದ್ರೆ a line makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with the x axis, y axis, z axis respectively. Then simply L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta and N is equal to cos gamma is called as the directions cosines of the line that is L. Then come to the second point of find the directions cosines of x, y and that is z axis. Solution for the right that is the second one problem. So that is either first point ka, so that is the solution. Then come to the right that is the second point ka, find the directions cosines of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis and therefore the directions cosines of very simple, right, that is directions cosines of, right, that is x-axis are directions cosines of, that is x-axis are, so that is cos 0, either cos 0, or that is next one is, and that is cos 90 again, so that is next one is, and that is cos 90. So this is nothing but idanna heng baritana, cos 0 means that is 1, so that is 1 comma cos 90 andre 0 again, that is cos, that is 90 means that is 0. Direction cosines of x-axis bari andre 1 0 0 anta bareri. So on the same line the directions cosines of very simple, right, that is the directions cosines of that is y-axis, that is directions cosines. So directions cosines of y-axis are starting in baritari, right, that is cos of, that is 90 degree, then comma, that is cos of, that is 0 degree, the next one is again that is cos of, that is 90 degree. So this implies cos 90 andre, right, that is 0, cos 0 andre 1, last one is that is 0. Directions cosines of, that is y-axis bari andre 0 1, that is 0. Similarly the directions cosines of very simple, right, that is similarly direction, right, that is cosines of, directions cosines of, that is z-axis, right, that is z-axis are iತರ directions cosines bari andre simply ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, right, that is cos of, that is 90 degree again, that is cos of, that is 90 degree, last one is that is cos of, that is 0 degree. It means that, so this is equal to cos 90 andre 0, that is 0, and last one is that is 1. In the list of 1 marks ದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮು, so find the directions cosines of, that is x-axis ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀರಿ 1 0 0, y-axis directions cosines ಬರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 1, that is 0, z-axis directions cosines ಬರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 0, that is 1. Then come to the next one point is solution for the example number 3. If a line makes an angle that is 90 degree, 135 degree and 45 degree with the x, y and z axis respectively, find the, that is directions cosines andan. So it means that, so that is a solution for the, right, that is third point to L is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟನ, so L means L alpha is equal to angle, that is alpha is equal to, that is 90 degree ada, then next, right, that is beta is equal to 135 degree ಕೊಟ್ಟನ, last one is that is gamma is equal to, that is 45 degree. Angles is given alpha, beta and gamma ಕೊಟ್ಟನ, so ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆದೀನಿ. We know that directions cosines ಅಂದರೆ, right, that is DCS, directions cosines means definition ಏನದ, L is equal to, that is cos alpha. It means that L is equal to, right, and that is cos of, that is 90 degree. So that is L is equal to cos 90 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತಾರೆ, that is 0. Then next one, that is L is equal to, M is equal to, right, that is M is equal to, so that is cos of, that is beta, definition ada, therefore M is equal to, that is cos of beta means that is 135 degree. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿ 135 ಅನ್ನು can be written as M is equal to, right, that is cos of 180 degree, then minus that is 45 degree, therefore M is equal to cos of 180 minus 45 means it lies in, that is the second quadrant, so that is cos is negative, minus that is cos of, that is 45 degree, therefore that is M is equal to cos 45 means minus 1 divided by, that is root 2. Then last one is, right, that is so N is equal to, definition in the, right, that is cos, that is gamma, therefore n is equal to, that is cos gamma. Gamma means that is 45 degree. Therefore n is equal to cos 45 means 1 divided by root 2. Therefore directions cosines are last barari direction, that is cosines are, so first yavuda L, that is 0, then comma m, then minus 1 divided by, that is root 2, last one another 1 divided by, that is root 2. Directions cosines of the given problem. Then come to the next one is very simple solution for the example number, right, that is 4. Example number 4 in the, so example number 4, if a line makes an angle 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree with the positive direction of the x, y and z axis respectively, find the directions cosines. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, directions cosines ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. Therefore write that is a solution for the, so that is example number, that is 4. So angle alpha is equal to ಎಷ್ಟದ, first angle alpha is equal to, that is 90 degree and that is beta is equal to, again that is 60 degree, gamma is equal to, that is 30 degree. We know that directions cosines under in very 3, L is equal to, right, that is cos alpha. Therefore that is L is equal to, that is cos of alpha means that is 90 degree. Therefore L is equal to cos 90 means that is 0. Similarly right, that is m on barari, m is equal to, right, that is cos of, that is beta. Therefore m is equal to, that is cos beta. Cos beta means that is 60 degree. Therefore m is equal to cos 60. 1 by 2 and that is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 and that is 1 by 2. So that is totally either, so that is 1 by 2. Then come to the last, that is n is equal to, right, that is cos ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is gamma. Therefore n is equal to, that is cos of, that is 30 degree. Therefore n is equal to cos 30 means, right, that is root 3 divided by 2. Therefore directions cosines are last barari. Therefore right, that is direction, right, that is cosines are L ಎಷ್ಟದ, right, that is 0, m ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is 1 by 2, last one is that is root 3 divided by, that is 2. Then come to the right, that is next one. So that is a solution for the example number, that is 5. Example number, that is 5 another, define, that is directions ratio ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. So directions ratio definition ಅಂದ್ರೆ any, that is 3 number, any 3 number that is a comma, that is b, a b c. Any 3 number that is a small letter, that is a b c are proportional to the a b c are any 3 number, right, that is a b c are proportional to the direction, that is cosines. Directions cosines L, m, n are called any 3 number a b c are proportional to the directions cosines L, m, n of a line are called direction ratio. Okay, so totally in this period three-dimensional geometry. Starting introduction to the three-dimensional geometry. So define in directions cosines ಅಂತಾದ directions cosines ಅನ್ನ definition ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ the line L makes an angle alpha beta gamma to the with the x-axis y-axis and z-axis respectively. Then L is equal to cos alpha, m is equal to cos beta, n is equal to cos gamma are the directions cosines of a that is the line L. Okay, then the next point another find the directions cosines of x, y and z axis. So x axis directions cosines bari andra 1 0 0, y axis directions cosine bari andra 0 1 that is a 0, z axis directions cosines bari andra 0 0 that is 1. And problem, so two problems depend on, so how to find the directions cosines of a that is angle is given, other directions cosines and hang ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ that is a ratio of any three number that is a b c are proportional to the directions cosines that is L M N of a line are called as that is a directions ratio. So tomorrow onwards I want to start with, so that is a relation between the directions ratios and that is directions cosines of a line. So thank you, one night all. ಹುಡುಗ